How to play Blacktop with Created Player 2K25. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to play Blacktop with Created Player in NBA 2K25. To play Blacktop mode with your Created Player in NBA 2K25, follow these steps. Step 1. Create your player. 1. Launch NBA 2K25 and go to the main menu. 2. Navigate to Features, then Create a Player. 3. Customize your player's name, position, appearance, attributes, and badges. 4. Save your created player. Step 2. Add your player to a roster. Still in Features, select Create Roster. 2. Choose NBA Modern Current Roster. 3. Use L1 or R1 or R1 PlayStation or LB RB Xbox to navigate to the Created Players tab. 4. Select your created player and choose Copy to Team. 5. Assign the player to any NBA team. And 6. Save your custom roster. Step 3. Use your player in Blacktop mode. Step 1. Return to the main menu and select Play Now and Blacktop. 2. Choose the game type. 3. When selecting players, press the appropriate button to switch to your custom roster. 4. Navigate to team that includes your created player and select them for the game. And that's it. Now you know how to play Blacktop with created player in NBA 2K25. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video. Thanks.